Hey guys, it's Curtis here and I'm back with another class looking at motion in UI and how you can enhance your workflow by utilising After Effects to bring your designs to life. I'll be walking you through the process of importing your design files into After Effects, as well as animating the layers, bringing it all together and exporting them as either an MP4 or a GIF file. I'll also be showing you how to use the graph editor to create ease in and ease out effects, as well as other effects and presets such as motion blur and offset and keyframes to create more dynamic animations within your design. It's good to have an understanding of the interactive side of things because it allows you to think about the overall structure of the design as well as how it will transition and flow. I'll also be attaching class project files, including a completed file that I made as well as a blank file that we'll be working from, and also other helpful tips and resources that I feel will benefit you in your learning journey. Make sure to reach out to me and leave feedback on this video, as well as suggest other future classes, and also hit me up on other social platforms such as Dribble and LinkedIn. Are you ready to get started? If so, let's begin.